How to fix Spotify glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify glitch on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here you'll find Spotify. Click on it and go to storage, clear cache, and now just go back and go to battery, and that's it. Disable power saving mode, and then just close all the applications in the background, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.